to make butter. Say hi.
Hi, me too.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so we only need 3 things. We need heavy whipping cream, a mason jar, and a mason jar lid. Once you have all your materials, you're going to fill your mason jar halfway full of the heavy whipping cream. You think so? This is Madison, and that's McKinley, and we're really excited to make butter today with you. So, you ready? We're gonna fill it about halfway with butter, or heavy whipping cream. We'll do that one. All right. So then we have to put this lid first. Put the lids on, and I'm not sure. What'd you put in there? There's nothing in there. All right, put the lid on that. Did you get that on really tight? I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that down for you, okay? Oh, hold on. I'm gonna put the lid on really tight. Now start shaking it. And you shake, shake, shake. Keep shaking it. And you're gonna shake it and or roll it for about 10 minutes. I'll show you guys the pictures as we go. Okay, everybody, we're about 5 minutes in now. And hopefully you can see this, but it's turning pretty creamy in here. So right now it's about whipped cream, and we're gonna keep shaking. All right, boys and girls, so I was shaking and shaking and shaking and shaking, and all of a sudden, I don't know if you can see that, it turned to butter. I'm gonna shake for a little bit longer because you're supposed to be able to dump the buttermilk off. So I'm gonna keep shaking it for a little bit longer, and then I'll show you what comes next. Okay, so I shook it for, I don't know, about 15 more seconds, and now, let's see if you can see it. I'm sitting outside, it's very, very nice out. There you go. So now the liquid is separated from the butter, and we're gonna pour the liquid off. You can drink it if you want to, and then you can eat the butter. Isn't that great? I hope you try it. I included the recipe and the directions for you so that you can try it all on your own. And you can put it on toast or a biscuit, or you can make stuff with it. So enjoy and have fun with the science experiment.